been a wonderful ride. I know it's 15 or 16 years. 16 years.
16, 17.
16, 17 years that we've been married. अभी याद
मेरे से पूछो.
बट प्रीति आपके बारे में सुनील शेट्टी ने भी कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बातें कही कि तुम हर पिक्चर में रोती ही
हाँ,
रहती
ये
हो।
told me this.
तो क्या आप रियल
Whenever I
लाइफ
see you on screen, तुम रोते ही रहते हो. Why always crying on the screen? So.
पर आप रियल लाइफ में कैसे हो? क्या ये ऐसे
रोते नहीं है ऐसे.
रुलाते हैं
रुलवाती हैं.
रुलाते हैं
I like it.
I can't say I cook right now because she's there to say I don't. So if she was not there, I might claim that. But so.
The dressing is enough.
The dressing is good, yeah.
and he saved his marriage.
Okay, please.
The things like cucumbers, tomatoes, there's so many healthy carbs in our diet, bhindi, paneer, blah, blah, blah. So you get your carbs from all kinds of, places. But I think having a balanced diet and not eating too many processed foods, I think is the main thing. You eat natural,
Correct.
but in moderation, everything.
Because you were just so vibrant in Mohabbatein and especially your dance, which you did. What kind of diet were you on that time?
Zero diet. I was on zero diet. No diet. But we were exercising and working out constantly.
Yeah.
So I did like 2 to 3 hours of dance every morning, starting from 6 a.m. to 8, 9 a.m. I was dancing with my Kathak Bharatnatyam Master Ji.
Okay.
And then evening from about 5 o'clock to 7, 8, maybe sometimes 9 also we were dancing with Farah. So for about 6, 7, 8 months we were just constantly in the Yashraj office dancing or practicing something or acting or Hindi or something. So there was, I think it was more activity and food to socha hi nahi.
The toughest job for me is doing night shoots. I hate night shoots.
That's
I hate night
and
shoots.
rain sequences, that's tough.
Yeah. Watching something where Amitabh Bachchan ji said, they asked him कि आप इतने गर्मी में बाहर बैठे रहते हो बहन में क्यों नहीं बैठते हो आप? So he said one simple thing which really stuck with me at that time. इसके अगर मैं दिमाग में सोच लेता हूँ कि गर्मी नहीं है तो गर्मी नहीं होती.
And I think the industry and the film industry and acting in general does teach you that to stop cribbing and just do the shot.
Okay, now we are going to make a tamarind mojito. Okay, without alcohol. I don't want to get you ladies drunk in the day.
Yeah, not in the day at least.
शाम को अलग से देखें. अगर आप घर पे बैठे हैं तो इसमें आप थोड़ा सा वोडका या रम डाल सकते हैं.